Students, now I will teach you how will you prove three equation of motion by graphical method. Okay, so let us start. First equation is v is equal to u plus at. It is called equation for velocity time relation. Okay, first equation another name is equation for velocity time relation. Second equation s is equal to ut plus half at square. Third equation is v square is equal to u square plus 2as. So in examination question will come like this: prove equation for velocity time relation by graphical method. Okay, a question will not come like prove v is equal to u plus at. So you should to learn the name also. Okay, s is equal to ut plus half at square. It is the equation for position time relation. You should remember this. So first equation is prove v is equal to u plus at. Here v is the final velocity, u is initial velocity, a is acceleration, and t is denoted for time. S is denoted for s for denoted for distance. Okay, so I will first draw velocity time graph. Here is x-axis taken time and y-axis velocity. Suppose an object started from position A. So initial velocity is u and travel and reach at the point of B. So final velocity is v, and for traveling from A to B taken time t. So from here to here this is time t. Okay, so we know that in graph slope is equal to rise by run. This vertical line is called rise and this horizontal line is called run, and slope is called acceleration. So rise by run, so here rise is bd is rise, and run horizontal, this line ad, run is this horizontal line ad. So slope is equal to acceleration is equal to, so bd we can write bd means bc, this is whole bc, so bc is v. Okay, from here to here, so bd is equal to vc minus cd. Okay, so I have written here bc minus cd, and run is ad is equal to oc. So bc is equal to v and this cd is equal to u, so v minus u by t. So by cross multiplication, here is at, here is v minus u is equal to at, or you can keep v this side, taken u that side, so this minus u become plus u positive, so v is equal to u plus at. So this way I have proved v is equal to u plus at. Similarly, second equation s is equal to s is equal to ut plus half at square. For proving this also I have drawn like this graph. Here is time t and velocity. Same way object moving from here, initial velocity u, final velocity v, taken time t. So the distance s traveled by the object is given by area of OABC. Area of OABC. This whole area is called distance. So in this whole area, this is like trapezium. This is two parallel line. This is height. So this is trapezium. So area of this trapezium is divided in two parts. Area of rectangle. This is rectangle, and this is triangle. So area of rectangle plus area of triangle is equal to area of OABC. So this way, area of rectangle OA into OC, length into breadth. Area of triangle half base into height. So here base is AD and height is BD. So now we put the value of OA. OA is equal to U. OC is equal to, this OC is equal to AD is equal to T. This is T. BD is equal to AT. This BD, we know this BD is V minus U. This I have taken here. This BD is V minus U. So V minus U is equal to AT. So that way S is equal to UT plus half AT into AT. So this will multiply, become UT plus half AT square, proved. Similarly, third one and last equation of motion, V square is equal to U square plus 2S. Here also I will draw this figure, and here taken area of trapezium OABC. So area of trapezium is equal to, we know that area of trapezium is half sum of parallel line, sum of, here is this and this, A and B, or into height. This is height. So here is S is equal to half A plus B into H. So here A is OA. This I have taken A, and this whole line BC taken as a B. H is equal to OC. This is the height. So this way I have proved that V square is equal to U square plus 2S. I have put the value. We know V is equal to U plus AT. You can take it out from this. T is equal to V minus U by A. Here I have put in place of T V minus U by A. Here V plus U into V minus U. This is the formula of A square minus B square. So here V square minus U square is equal to 2A. So V square is equal to U square plus 2OS. Okay. Thank you.